I'm Rock 11 Now's Katie Giardi. Rockville's outdoor pool is now officially open with even more amenities than before. Let's go check it out. Rockville residents of all ages can now enjoy a brand new bathhouse at the Rockville Swim Center. Superintendent of the Swim Center, Mark Eldridge, says the new bathhouse will offer a better experience to all pool goers.
Well, as people come in the bathhouse, that's how they arrive at the swim center. So just the fact that it's open and airy and clean and brand new will just make everybody start their experience on a better note.
It's all accessible now. You don't have any stairs to go down, and it's really a top-notch facility.
Swim Center Advisory Board member Suzanne Sutton says the bathhouse will be able to accommodate the large crowds expected this summer.
The quantity of people that we get here, the number of people, that was taken into account also, so that you can change in privacy and you can shower in privacy and do all of that and then come out and enjoy it.
With something for visitors of every age, the Swim Center is the perfect place to beat the summer heat.
This place it's got so much with the 4 pools and the different programs and just this great expansive space. It's got so much for people to do in all at the same time, all different ages, all different parts of the family and the community. And now the bathhouse sort of fits that setting.
To learn more about the Swim Center, go to rockvillemd.gov/swimcenter. For Rock 11 Now, I'm Katie Giardi.